we're here at Viva Cafe with the gems of P-pop, Raya. So, can you introduce yourselves one by one?
Hi, I'm Raya Ash.
I'm Raya Cash.
Raya Priscilla.
Raya Abiona.
Raya Sophia.
Raya Belle. Raya Jemima. Raya Anna.
Raya Rona. At kami yan.
Raya!
Okay. So, Raya, congratulations. So, nakita natin yung premiere, yung video kanina nung latest ng single niyo na Bling. Ang ganda niya, promise. So, ano yung masasabi niyo regarding do sa music video? Ano yung feeling niyo na meron na kayong music video for that one?
Sobrang saya po namin. Kasi finally po nag-debut kami. Really hard work po talaga ang pinas namin.
Super excited din po kami na mapanood namin kanina yung music video for the first time. After our hard work, after ng grabing bugbugan na MV shoots and trainings, finally ito na po yung debut namin.
Sobrang saya po talaga namin lahat. Iba yung saya, yung excitement namin kanina.
Opo, sobrang saya, grabe.
Masaya nga, masaya.
Wow. So, meron ba kayong mga pwedeng i-share kung ano yung mga aabangan natin with regards sa Raya?
Yes, actually, April 26 tomorrow, you'll see us at Nakakalokal Music Festival.
Bridgetown, guys. Bridgetown.
Yes, in Pasig. And meron pa, April 27, you'll also be seeing us at SM Caloocan for AOTD's mall show. So, abangan. And
May 1 and May 2 for the Amutiana Section E Grand Family.
Yes! At marami pa po kayong aabangan sa Raya.
just make sure to follow us on all of our social media accounts, Raya PH Official for updates.
Don't forget to stream Bling in all digital streaming platforms.
Okay, so last na lang. So, invite nyo sila tomorrow to watch yung premiere ng music video ng Bling on YouTube.
Don't forget, tomorrow is the premiere of our music video Bling, April 26. Please look forward to it and watch it.
Yes!
Stream it.
Like, comment, and subscribe.
Bling, 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 bling. Diamonds on my neck, diamonds on my wrist like. Bling, 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 bling. Baby, I'll be shining like the best you think, yeah.
Okay, thank you very much.